Hello everyone, does Instagram notify when you screenshot a story? In this short tutorial we will see if Instagram add option to see if someone take a screenshot of our story. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. Now I will come on Instagram, and I will take a screenshot of story I posted. I am take a screenshot with my second account, and we will see it that work. So this is my main account, and I'm going to open my story. And see, who see my story, and who take a screenshot of my story. Now you can see this is my account with I take a screenshot, and Instagram doesn't show me I take a screenshot. So Instagram doesn't have option to see if someone take a screenshot. Thank you for watching this video, leave a like and subscribe for new one. Goodbye.